How to force refresh without cache in Google Chrome? Does Chrome have an equivalent to Firefox's Ctrl plus F5 refresh? I can't seem to find one. I changed my Gravatar last night, and I can see the new one in Firefox after a Ctrl plus F5 refresh, but Chrome seems to be stubbornly hanging on to the old Gravatar. I guess I could manually clear out the cache, but if there is a keyboard command to do it, I'd like to know what it is, since it would be helpful for web development too.
Chrome documentation states that Ctrl plus F5 or Shift plus F5 should do reloads your current page, ignoring cached content. If it is not working, you can file a bug report, but it looks like quite a few other people are having the same issue. Existing bug log on this issue, closed as a duplicate, the issue remains. Issue 94090.
In the Open Developer Tools, Ctrl plus SHFT plus I or plus I. Select the Network tab, activate Disable Cache checkbox, do not close Developer Tools, otherwise cache is re-enabled.
On a Mac, it's Shift plus Command plus R, or holding down Shift while clicking the Reload button, as opposed to Command plus R or a normal click for a regular refresh. Some more details. For Shift plus Command plus R, cache is simply ignored and resources are requested like no cache existed. For Command plus R, Chrome will issue if modified sins or e-tag requests to the web server, even for things that are actually cached. For most, if not all, content the server should then respond with 304 not modified. This is true for most, if not all, modern browsers. The only way to force relying on the cache, without the browser even asking for possible changes, seems to be clicking a link on the web page, or by following a bookmarked link, or by going into the URL location bar and hitting return there, Command plus L, return. However, a long-standing known issue in Chrome forced refresh does not ignore cache, and the more recent reload/refresh does not refresh, or maybe actually a feature in WebKit, dynamically inserted subresources aren't revalidated even when the containing document is reloaded, makes Chrome not clear all related caches when using the above methods. A Chromium developer explains. The Network tab of the Developer Tools show a waterfall of all resources as they are loaded. There are two vertical lines at the right-hand side. One of them is labeled Load Event Fired on Hover. Anything loading after that point is not officially part of the page. A page can keep issuing requests for hours, so it will not be refreshed with any combination of F5. This is by design. Caching of any resource, before and after the Load Event Fired line, is determined by the HTTP headers of the response, not by the time the request was issued. Also note A at Chromium Dev's tweet. Chrome DevTools disable cache invalidates the disk cache, great for developing, but only while DevTools is visible.
Update. This answer is outdated. Pull up console, click in right bottom to cog icon, tick, General and GT, disable cache, reload page. However, keep the developer tools open. Update.
Press